developed this MVP in just under 2 days. My previous project, RedSync AI, was completed in 3 days with assistance from my freelancer and his intern. Imagine the possibilities for content creators. Imagine the speed creating content and managing business in just few clicks. With my platform, Agile Latina, the best AI assistant for content creators, I will help them thrive. Hello, I'm Margaret Cesar, a serial builder creator that operates on pattern recognition. What if they could create, produce, publish high quality content at the same time manage business in just a few clicks? Please join me and let's help them achieve their full potential. Take their first step towards progressing their creator business to a full blown business with Agile Latina, the